In this video I'm gonna tell you how to get a poll and Telegram. So make sure to like this video and subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon. So let's get started. First of all, open Telegram application, then open your group. I have created this group. Now tap on message option. Here cursor is blinking, tap on here. Now tap on this option. This is attachment option. Tap on this. Now you can see poll option here. Now tap on this. Now ask your question. Let's suppose what is your name? I am asking a question. What is your country name? After this, that US, UK, India, Nepal. You can add many options here. After making this, tap on create. Your poll will create successfully. So this is pretty simple. I hope you will like this video. Please give a like and subscribe to this channel. Thanks. Goodbye.